Welcome to RealSatisfied. Today we'll show you how to use the website Widget's color picker. This is the website widget in the edit mode. When picking a color, click on Custom to open the color picker. First, choose the color from the horizontal spectrum, then pick its shade using the above box. Alternatively, you can use the color picker eyedropper to choose any color visible on the screen. Click on the color you want to apply it to the widget. You can also click the arrows at the bottom of the color picker and switch between RGB, HSL, and hex settings for the color. Simply enter the specific code or value for your exact color. Remember to save the widget after making any changes. Happy selling!